Red creeping thyme is a great plant for many yards. It's known scientifically as Thymus precox coccineus. People like it because it's easy to care for and looks nice. It's a plant that stays green most of the year. It grows low to the ground. It forms a thick mat of tiny leaves. This thyme is often used as a ground cover. It spreads out and covers the soil. It's good for places where you don't want bare ground. It works well between stepping stones. It fills the gaps in patios too. You can walk on it sometimes. It's pretty tough. It's also used instead of grass in some areas. This is especially true on slopes or hillsides. It helps cover the ground there. Red creeping thyme has small leaves. They stay green through the year in many places. The plant itself stays very low. It's famous for its flowers. In late spring or early summer, it blooms heavily. The flowers are bright and cover the plant. They come in shades of pink, lavender, and deep red. This gives the plant its name, red creeping thyme. The blooms are very showy. This plant is low maintenance. It doesn't need much fuss once it's set up. It likes sunny spots the best. It does well in full sun. It can handle some shade but blooms less. It needs good drainage in the soil. It's also very tolerant of dry conditions. Once it's established, it doesn't need much watering. This makes it good for hot, dry areas. It's a perennial plant. This means it comes back year after year. It grows well in moderate climates. Some thyme plants grow upright, but creeping thyme stays low and spreads wide. It has a trailing habit. People often ask if you can eat red creeping thyme. Technically, you can. It is not poisonous, but it's not usually used for cooking. The taste and smell can be different from plant to plant. It's not reliable for recipes. Other types of thyme are better for cooking. This kind is mostly for looks. It's grown for its beauty, not flavor. Many gardeners have pets. They wonder about plants and safety. Red creeping thyme is not highly toxic, but it's not a special food for dogs or cats. Eating a lot of it could upset their stomach. It's best they don't eat large amounts. Most pets don't bother with it much anyway, but it's good to know it's not a major danger. Just keep an eye on curious pets. Red creeping thyme is a great choice for ground cover. It looks beautiful, especially when flowering. It's also very easy to care for. It handles sun and dry soil well. It fills in spaces nicely. It's a good alternative to grass in some spots. It's not the best for cooking, but that's okay. Its main job is to look good and cover ground. It does that job very well.